Hello everyone, welcome to Encapsulation, the tech tips and tutorial channel. In this video, you will learn how to convert an .mkv file, a type of video file, to .mp4, another type of video file, using the VLC Media Player. So let's get started. Converting the .mkv to .mp4 using the VLC Media Player requires the VLC Media Player installed on your computer. You can download the VLC Media Player from the internet free of cost and install it on your computer if you don't already have it installed on your PC. In my case, the VLC Media Player is already downloaded and installed on my laptop, so I'm going to show you converting this .mkv file to .mp4. Let's open the file with VLC Media Player. Pause the file, click on the media menu and click on the convert or save. Or you can just press Ctrl and R keys at the same time to open the convert wizard. Here click on the add button. Locate the .mkv file that you want to convert and click on it to open. Then click on the convert or save button. Now from the profile drop down box, select the profile Video-H.264 plus MP3 MP4. Then click on this wrench icon, which is to edit the selected profile. Leave the MP4 or MOV option selected on the Encapsulation tab. Then go to the Video Codec tab. Here make sure that the video and keep original video track checkbox are checked. And in the Audio Codec tab too, make sure that the video and keep original video track checkbox are checked, and then click on the save button. Now click on the browse button for the destination location to the converted file. Make sure that the save as type is selected to containers.mp4 and modify the file name so that the original file is not overwritten or the original file is not corrupted. Then click on the save button. That's all. Now the .mkv file is ready to be converted to .mp4. So click on the start button. It won't take much time. We can see that the file is converted to a new file with the type .mp4. To verify that the file is not corrupted, double click on it to open it. As you can see, the video is perfectly fine and you can use it now for whatever purpose you wanted to convert it to MP4. Okay guys, this is how we can easily convert a .mkv file to .mp4 using the VLC Media Player. I hope the video was useful to you. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you on other videos. Goodbye.